Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word decorticated. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The chef decorticated the coconut before using it in the dish. Decorticated means to remove the outer covering or shell of something, such as a seed or fruit, in order to extract the edible part within. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.